Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'll show you how to create a table of contents in PowerPoint. Let's dive right in. We'll start by adding a blank slide where we'll set up the table of contents. Go up to the View menu and select Outline View. Here, you'll see an outline of the presentation text. Right-click in the text area, select Collapse, then choose Collapse All to view only the main headings. Next, copy the headings, return to the normal slide view, select your blank slide, and paste the headings. To organize them, go to the Home tab, select two columns, and choose a bullet style if you'd like to add bullet points. Now, let's add hyperlinks to each heading. Select a heading, go to the Insert tab, choose Link, and link it to the respective slide. Click OK to confirm. Repeat these steps for each heading. Once finished, click Preview to test the links and make sure they're connected to the correct slides. And that's it. You've now created a table of contents in PowerPoint. It's an easy and effective way to navigate your presentation. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.